the most important question that I have found in talking with a lot of different CEOs is the assessment. There are so many ways of assessing. There are people who are intuitively very good at that kind of assessment, and there are others who will promote psychometric instruments and so on and so forth. And there's no one method fits all, or even for that matter, even in a single assessment, there's not just one method to be used. What has been your experience and what do you do?
Well, we do spend a lot of time assessing our candidates because of our own skill sets, all having been in the HR function, myself for like 20 years. So, I mean, I've been assessing people from the companies that I worked for a long time. We do sometimes use outside testing tools by other companies. Sometimes our clients recommend a particular assessment tool, and that's fine. But what we have found most successful is when our clients put candidates through a battery of interviews. And it takes longer, but the candidate is really getting to see who's at the top, who's at the middle, who's going to be working with them and for them. And so I think that is just, really key. So sometimes they'll go through 15 different interviews internally. They could be in group settings or they could be individuals, but it gives both the candidate and the client a really good view of how this company operates. What are the players like? Who has been successful at this company and why? And the candidate gets to see it and the client gets to see whether or not this candidate can make it. So in a business development, in a sales role, they're looking for people who can go to clients and bring that client in or deepen the relationship with that client. And if this individual, the candidate, is talking to a lot of rainmakers in a company, those rainmakers will know whether or not this person will be good in sales. So I think that is absolutely key. You can do a lot of testing. You can find out one's intelligence level better, their selling skills, their interpersonal, but the interaction with people who are really in there doing it in a company, that's to me one of the best screens at a company.